Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable do not disturb in our Redmi phone. Friends you want to enable guys do not disturb settings. So friend, how can you enable in your Redmi phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to enable do not disturb mode setting guys. Scroll it. Hence you can see your sound and vibration setting your Redmi phone. So where you can enable the do not disturb from here. So while you click on sound and vibration setting guys, you can see guys your sound mode setting guys, tap here. As you can see D and D means do not disturb guys. You can say silent sound and turn off vibrate except for the alarm. So when you will click on here, so when your do not disturb mode will enable, and when you can see this moon icon on your screen means do not disturb mode is enable it. So friends you can see guys your this music and game media sound will off. So like that guys you can enable the do not disturb in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.